What up YouTube, it's the Internet Income Ninja. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share for more awesomeness on this online space. Today we are going to review a job lead from a very prominent it's not a healthcare provider, but it's a very prominent pharmacy. And that pharmacy is CVS. Now there's a CVS on almost every corner in the US. They're very well known and they are hiring a bunch of remote workers. Now this particular position was posted a day ago, that was yesterday. So you need to act fast if this is something you're interested in. So, customer service rep, work from home position. Alright, so if you want to skip the chit chat and just click apply now, then you can go ahead and do that, but let's just get into this lead real quick. Before we move on, if you are interested in starting your own online business so that you can do other stuff instead of spending or exchanging your time for money, check the links in the description below. Okay, let's go. So this one comes to us from Chandler, Arizona. Now, even though it's a remote work from home job, I do believe that they segment their workforce based on the areas you live in. So this one is remote work from home, but they want someone from Chandler, Arizona. Now the JD says, are you interested in a flexible work from home schedule and live within 75 miles of this address? That's 2700 West Fry Road, Chandler, Arizona 85224. An opportunity where you can balance priorities in and outside of work while helping people on their path to better health. If so, consider a role at CVS Health, a Fortune 5 company, as a customer service rep in Chandler, Arizona. We are currently hiring support teams for the pharmacy benefit manager division of CVS Health. In this role, you will support our specialty patients who are in need of life-sustaining medications. The typical calls that you will receive include prescription refills, order status, and insurance coverage. So pretty straightforward and simple, right? Our specialty pharmacy employees promote a high-energy culture and are passionate about providing excellent customer service with empathy while resolving the patient's questions on the first call. If you get satisfaction by knowing that you have helped someone, apply today. Do you enjoy working telephonically and enjoy managing multiple applications and have a passion for helping others? We provide the comprehensive training to set you up for success. We also offer incredible advancement opportunities so you can grow within the pharmacy or move to another role within CVS Health. We offer a comprehensive benefits package which includes medical, dental, vision insurance, as well as a wide-ranging list of supplemental benefits and discount programs. In addition to 16 paid days off for employees, we also offer 10 paid holidays. So that's a total of 26 days off for the year. So their application process is a simple two-step process. You apply online and then you take their online virtual job tryout on their interview platform to learn even more about the position. So required qualifications: you need to have 1 year of customer service experience, 6 months of high volume customer service experience working in Windows, Microsoft, or another application. Preferred qualifications: prior healthcare experience with benefits, insurance, prescriptions, and the second one is telephonic customer service experience. They want someone who has at least a verifiable high school diploma, GED, or equivalent. And an overview of CVS if you've never heard of them, which honestly most people have if you've lived in the US. They are joined in a common purpose, helping people on their path to better health. They're working to transform healthcare through innovations that make quality care more accessible, easier to use, less expensive, and patient-focused. Working together and organizing around the individual, they are pioneering a new approach to total health that puts people at the heart. They strive to promote and sustain a culture of diversity, inclusion, and belonging every day. CVS Health is an equal opportunity and affirmative action employer. They don't discriminate in recruiting, hiring, or promoting based on race, ethnicity, sex or gender, sexual orientation, gender identity or expression, age, disability or protected veteran status, or on any other basis or characteristic prohibited by applicable federal, state, or local law. They proudly support and encourage people with military experience, active veterans, reservists, and National Guard, as well as military spouses to apply for CVS Health job opportunities. So if that's something you're interested in, check out this customer service rep position for Arizona. There are actually a ton of other positions open at CVS. If you go to cvs.com and check out their career section, you will see a bunch of jobs, remote work from home jobs, in fact, for different areas. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. That's the Internet Income Ninja, where I'm inviting you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, share for more ways to earn money online. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.